What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me a new launch hood for the Ford Mustang 2018 and 2020. This hood called Ram 8 double-sided carbon hood. We're gonna go ahead and install it in one of our clients that will be coming in today to go ahead and do the full removal on the OEM stock hood and put on this new look hood for him. Let's go ahead and show you guys all the highlights, unwrap this thing, and show you guys the full carbon hood on the Mustang GT for the 18 to 20. You guys saw it right next to me, the Ram Air full-on carbon for the GT Mustang 18 and 20. Again, already a pointer that I see, this hood is a lot bigger than the Camaro ones that we usually sell for our Camaro guys. Now, looking at this hood, I already see there's a lot going on the sides on both ends right here, where you got the vents, you got a nice little outline going downhill, and then you got this scoop. I think this scoop in the middle is a killer. What's gonna make our client's builds unique and stand out more than the other Mustangs out there when he's out at car shows. Let's go ahead and show you guys all the highlights. First, we gotta go ahead and add the heat shield to the hood, make sure it's protected. You got the back side of the hood over here, the Ram Air carbon hood for the GT. Now, the next step is before our client comes in, we're actually prepping the heat shield process for him. We're gonna go ahead and install 2 heat shields, what I believe is required for this hood because you have a lot of space going on in the back. And again, you guys have to have those heat shields to protect it from the heat. This will help you last your hood longer and protect the hood from all the heat that will be coming out from your engine bay. Alright guys, as you can see, you got both heat shields installed on the Ram Air hood for the Mustang GT. Again, this is required for you guys to purchase 2 heat shields to make sure it's covered properly. You can go ahead and purchase one, it just won't be able to cover all the areas that needs to be covered. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys how to take off the hood from the OEM Mustang and then replace it with the new hood and show you guys the amazing finish touch this hood will give the build. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the Mustang in right now. Before we remove the hood for the Mustangs, it's required for us to remove the windshield washer lines right here. So if you guys want to get a closer look, I gotta go ahead and remove all that. You gotta take off the shield to make sure I get access all the way in there. Take these out, put them in a new hood, then we can go ahead and take out the hood, and after that we'll install the aftermarket hood. Alright guys, as you can see right here, I have with me the OEM front hood latch. So this must be removed and installed on the air ram hood that Anderson makes. So again, it's a 210mm screw. You go ahead and take those out and then put those back in there, and then once everything's nice installed, it should click in right with the OEM latch on the bottom of the Mustang. Another note for you guys, Anderson will provide the bolts to go ahead and install it, but I like to use the OEM one for just better security, and it handles a lot better and it holds the latch a lot stronger. So you guys have both options, whether you want to use the Anderson one or the OEM 10mm screw. Boom, there you guys have it. You got the Ford Mustang 2018 and 2020 air ram full carbon fiber hood installed on the GT Ford Mustang. One of the cool things that I like about this hood, that it's extremely simple but super eye-catching, and that's exactly what we want and what we want to give to our clients. Again, it's got the double-sided vents action with a nice touch line going across on each side, and then the scoop overall is something that I enjoy, love. We got the 2 vents on it with a nice simple line just to highlight the scoop and overview the whole scoop that gives the look to the Mustang that it deserves. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to purchase this hood will be available on our website very soon. Easy financing and free shipping is available with us here, and I'll see you guys in the next build. Peace.